Another new arrival is the 1955 Ford Fairlane Sunliner, Regency purple poly and snowshoe white over purple and white.
That's unusual.
122,457 actual miles. 272 cubic inch 2-barrel V8 with a Ford-O-Matic, like the Veg-O-Matic, automatic, and the snappy color combo.
Absolutely.
Pretty cool car.
Love purple.
And front disc brakes.
Rest in peace, Prince.
Yeah.
I was just watching some
quite a
Prince
talented.
videos.
He was quite a talented guy.
He was good.
He could play 30-something instruments.
He played them all.
He played everything.
Yep.
He could play piano, guitar.
He could dance.
He knows
He could dance in high heels.